Jokanyo sekta mar thieth bade ma Afrika ma Ugwe koro geto tedo kata tego tudruok margi kaka okang' mar rakore gi tuoche ma koro thiro dongruok mag pinjego. Romono bende koro geto tego osiepe kind pinjego e yo mar thieth makare kendo ni otage e yo molong'o. Pinje mag Afrika osebede kod achiedh nade rakruok kod tuoche masika apoya kod kaka inyalo geng'gi. Romono noyore gi jagoro mong'ere bad migawo mar thieth Mary Mudhoni e kind jokanyo moko mag sekta mar thieth.
We need to embrace evidence-based.
And this is Dr. Judy Kose.
As I'm talking now, yesterday in Rwanda.
And the whole goal is for us to basically be able to reflect on the COVID-19 pandemic. Coincidentally, as we are doing this, now we have Mpox in the country, and I know that is a conversation which is going on, but also a real threat. So this was a mere coincidence. This had been planned before, but nevertheless, it's a reminder of why this Global Health Security Summit is important for this region.
We see ourselves as playing a very critical role in creating the necessary health security systems that will prepare the country adequately for any emerging threats.
Our mission is to develop community and health system ability to defend against these types of threats. And I think if the last several years have taught us nothing else, one lesson we should take away is that these emerging health threats are going to continue to happen. They're going to continue to happen with more frequency. And none of us is safe until all of us are safe. And we need to work as global partners to make sure that what happened in 2020 and 2021 never happens again. We're never caught unprepared again.